We get asked a lot how we get seller financing terms from a seller. Uh, and the easiest way to answer that is just say, well, we ask for it. Okay. And what you'll find is that a lot of times, the difference in someone getting something and someone not getting something is simply the courage to ask. So if you want seller financing terms from a seller, listen to their story, listen to what they need, look at the numbers and see if it'll work, and then offer them that option. And most times, a lot of times, if it works for their need, if it's their needs and the numbers work with the financing that's in place, if there's financing, it's free and clear, it's a different story. But if you just have the courage to ask for it, you'll get it. So just try asking for it.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.